guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm the Photoshop artist. Welcome to my studio. Today I will show to you how you can improve your landscape photography only with 3 clicks. So guys, let's start. First of all, I will duplicate my layer just to show to you before and after. I will go to filter, camera raw filter. My first click will be after. The second click will be dehaze slider. The third click will be clarity slider. And I will click OK. And voila guys, we are done. I will show to you before and after. How awesome is it? Now guys, if you have some time, stay with me and I will show to you and I will explain to you why I applied those 3 steps or clicks. First of all, I will hide our top layer, our improved layer, and I will duplicate our background layer. Now I will go to filter and camera raw filter. Guys, if you would like to dramatically improve your image right away without any extra steps, After Feature is for you. And After Feature is a great starting point. I will click on After and voila guys, just look at this. We dramatically improved our image. But it doesn't mean that we need to stop working on our image. We have a great starting point and now we can continue working on our image. The second click or step was dehaze slider. Even if I don't have any dehaze going on in my image, moving dehaze slider slightly to the right, I'm dramatically improving my image. I'm bringing back to life all details. So I will move dehaze slider slightly, guys, slightly to the right and voila. The third click or step was clarity slider. Moving clarity slider to the right in landscape photography helps to bring to life all details in your image. So in combination, clarity and dehaze sliders, we bring back all details in our image. So guys, only with 3 clicks we can dramatically improve our image. I will click OK and voila. Let me show to you before and after. If you would like to apply any extra steps, feel free to do it. But just with 3 simple clicks or steps, you can dramatically improve your landscape photography. Thank you guys for being with me. Super appreciated. And I will see you later. Bye.